it's me, Azy. Welcome to my channel. Today, friends, we are gonna be learning about how to make flowers. So today, I'm gonna be calling my guest, which is Azy or Auntie B. Azy, Auntie B, where are you? Hi. Papa time. So today, Azy, we are gonna make some flowers out of egg cartons for Mother's Day. And it's an inexpensive way to show our moms how much we love them. So when is Mother's Day anyway, Azy? The US and Canada, Mother's Day happens on the second Sunday of May. Are you ready to make the flowers? Yeah! Okay. The materials we'll need are an egg carton, tape, if you have tape, skewers. The amount of skewers is the amount of flowers you're gonna make. Glue, scissors, paintbrush, and a cup of water for watering your paintbrush, and paint. If you don't have glue or tape, you can also use a glue gun or glue sticks. Let me just take off my glasses so I look more swag. So the first step is we are gonna cut the egg carton. Like you see these little squares, we're gonna cut those out and then make little petals. So friends, please make sure you're safe with the scissors and be careful. Ask a grown-up to help or whoever is bigger than you to cut the egg carton if you want to do this craft. Are you ready to cut, Azy? Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, what I did is I cut out a piece of the egg carton, which is like where the eggs go, and now I'm just gonna round the shape to my liking. Then I cut it into petals, and then I round off the petals on the edge. I get to each petal. Oh, it looks like a flower. So you can make a lot of different designs for flowers, and you can make as many flowers as you want. But for us, we made two flowers for one flower. So one flower that's small and one flower that's big, and then we put them together and it will look really detailed. Wow, these look so easy to make and very pretty. Now it's time to paint them, Azy. Yep. Come on, let's get our paintbrushes. Okay. And then paintbrushes. And don't forget our skewers. Now that we're done painting, and we also painted the skewers green for the stem, we can now glue them together. Make sure the flowers are dry so we can glue them together, okay? After you're done gluing it and it's done drying, you can now use your skewers and tape them together so it's thick, and then you can tape it on like this. So this is what it should look like when you're finished, friends. What we did is we taped it together and we taped on the back. But you can also use glue to glue it together. Now that we're done, we're gonna use this glass to make it look like it's in a vase. But you can also use some recyclable materials such as plastic water bottles. And I'm also gonna use these pretty rocks. See, do you like it?
Wow, I love it. It looks so pretty. It's so awesome. What we made it so awesome. Come on. Wow, it's so nice that it can last for a long time. I wish it could last forever.
Do you know which flower represents Mother's Day?
No, I don't. But I want to hear what it is.
It is a white carnation.
Wow! It's a great feedback about Mother's Day. Bye friends, I hope you loved this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell button below, and share with others my video, please friends. It makes me so happy and joyful. You know what